let's support each other.
I like it.
And it's not a matter of I know you, you know me.
Mm.
You know, I'm not boasting, but the support that I've got from strangers is more than the support that I got from people that I know.
I love that.
That's
bro.
the most
Please don't leave me hanging. I love it.
You see?
I love it. Yeah.
The support that I got from strangers mattered the most than the support
Yeah.
that I got
Yeah.
from the people that I know.
That's so true.
For an example, I have businesses. We'll talk about them later.
Yeah.
The people that support me in all my businesses are people I do not even know. I've traveled to Botswana, I've traveled to Mozambique, I've traveled to East London. I don't have any relations into those countries, into those provinces. But because of what people see on the social media, they are able to call me to do. When you are seated with me here, you won't even say, I cannot take my money and give it to Mongameli, the MC. You can get someone you don't even know there to do that. Yet you know that I can do the job very well. But the problem is that it's like now with us black people, sorry to say, and no offense intended to anyone.
Actually, it's common amongst us. Yeah.
To give a black person money, it's like you're uplifting him or her. And that is where our problem is. For an example, as via podcast is here, maybe there's a need for sponsorships and support of some things, for an example.
Yeah.
You'd be surprised to find that it's a white guy from somewhere who can support this person. Yet we are seated around here, we know, right? We can assist this person. But
Develop, Marlon.
I think it's the way we were brought up from the apartheid system until now. Because you see how Ethiopians support each other. Those people can be brothers and they are 10. They are not brothers by blood. But this one is coming from that family, the other one from different families. But when they get to South Africa or any particular country, they come up with a business and they are all part of that business. And they are making good money. But when Mongameli, the MC is here and say, I can't. This guy, it's either this guy will cheat on me or he will be rich. I can't make this guy rich. I would rather have my own money.